Well, hello everyone. I'm back with a new song I wrote. I haven't written one in a long time, so I'm going to try it out, see if y'all like it. It's got a twist to it. It's still in the rough stage, so don't expect perfection. Anyway, here we go. Walking in the cold, cold rain. Walking in the cold, cold rain. But I got this warm feeling. Think it's time for a change. For the better I'm believing. Life's been so long, but this time the feeling sure seems strong. Life is coming to this old house again. I've been alone too many years. Getting old ain't easy to get used to. And even though I have my fears, well, maybe there's no need to. Just the other day, I found a new friend, she wants to stay. I think life is gonna be good again. I took her to the vet today, you know, just for a checkup. Said, I think she's about 6 months old. You know, she's still just a big old pup. But that's okay with me. In this old house she can run and play as she please. Yes, life is gonna be good again. Walking in the cold, cold rain. Well, she's here just right beside me. But soon the sun will come out again on me and my new best friend. My new best friend, that's what I probably need to name it.